Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python web scraping series. In this video, we will try to extract data from an actual website. So for today's video, I have selected this job portal called FlexJobs. So in this, we will try to extract the jobs. There are a lot of information in this, but we are only interested in Python, that is the job title and the job description. We will try to extract these two information from all the jobs. So before we begin, so we need to have some libraries to continue with our web scraping. That is requests. So install requests. So you need to have these modules before starting the web scraping. In my case, I already have installed this request library. So it's already requirement is already satisfied. And for beautiful soap, so that comes under BS4. You have to install that as well. And for beautiful soap, we need an external parser for that. So in this case, we will be using LXML. There are other parsers as well, like HTML parser or HTML5 parser. You can use any of those. But today we are going, in this video, we are going to use LXML parser. So once you have all these three libraries installed, so then we are good to start with our coding. Okay, so first we need to import those libraries, that is request and beautiful soup. Okay, so we need to get the URL for this website. So we are going to copy this URL. Yeah. So next, so using requests library, so what we can do is we can send and receive HTML requests. So in our case, we will going to send the get request to this URL and get the data out of it. So for that, what we will do is, so we have to pass the URL to that. In request, there are many other request types, like this is a get request. Similarly, there is a post request as well. You can go through those request documentation, and once you have this one, so we have to see like how we can get this data from the website. For that, if you click on this and if you go to inspect, you can see this entire card is under list. So each jobs are under a list tag. So if you go inside that list tag, you can see an anchor tag, so which has the job title. So we need this job title, and for description there is a div tag. In that, under the div tag, we have all the data that we require. So we have to get this. Okay. So for that, we need to have a class instance of beautiful soup, and for that we have to pass the response text that contains the source code of that URL. And for this beautiful soup instance, we have to pass parser LXML. And if we just take the instance of this one, you can see the entire DOM structure or the source code of that website. Yeah. And for our goal is to get this Python job title in the description. For that, so all these list tags are under this unordered list tag. So what we are going to do is we will get this UL tag, which is having an ID. ID is unique for each page. So we can choose this as a unique selector, this job list ID. And what we can do, so using this tool, we can find this UL with the ID. So for to get each individual jobs, so we have to use this job section, which is this UL. So under this we have to get this all the list tags. For that we have to get job section and we have to find all the LIs. So this will give all the jobs, Now we can loop through this and get data what we want. So for the title, so under the LI we have to look for the AL tag. Sorry, not AL, for A tag. This one. Yeah, so this dot text will give the text of that tag. So under this A tag we have the text Python developer, so that is the job title. And for the description we have a div, which is for that we have a class called job description. So here we have to pass the class because under this LI there are many divs. So if we only specify div, so it will take the first occurrence of the div, so which is not our goal. So we have to get only the description. For that we have to pass this unique identifier. And we can just print it to confirm. So if we run this one, we should get all the job title and its description. Okay, in the description we are getting the tags also, because I forgot to add this dot text method. now you can see we have the job title and its description. We were able to extract the job title and job description, but if you see in the website, so we have multiple pages. We have around 40 pages, but we have extracted only data from the first page. So what if we want to extract the data from each page? So if you click on the second page, so one thing you can notice in the URL, another parameter got added, that is this page. So what we can do, so we can do a slight modification in our URL by just adding the extra parameter, and if we pass the page number in this one, like the page number 2, and if we run this again, so if we run this again, we will get the jobs from the next second page. So to confirm that we are getting the jobs from the second page, the last job in the second page is test automation engineer. So what we can do is, the last job is test automation engineer. So we were able to move to next different pages as well, but so we cannot hard code this page number. So what we can do is, we can put everything under while loop, and we can just pass this page number, and we can put everything under the while loop. So if we put everything under the while loop and increment after each, once all the jobs are extracted, the page number will be incremented and you will go to the next page. So in that way you can pass all the jobs from all the pages. So in our next video we will see how to extract the data using the API scraping. And thanks for watching.